Hi guys, this is Miss T. I am an intern at CSU Pueblo, and because of the coronavirus, I am unable to teach in the classroom. So me and my peers are making videos online for you students to enjoy. I am going to teach one today, and it's called Math with Tangrams, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so this is what a tangram set looks like, and it consists of 7 shapes, one being a large triangle, another large triangle, a parallelogram, a small triangle, a square, a medium triangle, and a small triangle. So in the process of making this video, one of my triangles went missing, so bear with me. But the first worksheet that we're going to work on is a 3-piece cover-up. So for example, to practice with you guys, we are going to fill the top parts in. So for example, we would use a small triangle to fill in this one. So just like this. And we know this is correct because it fills up the whole space. And now we're going to fill in the second one. Just like this. And then we're going to use one more. And this shape right here is a parallelogram. And so you see right here how it doesn't fit. So we're going to do something as simple as flipping it. And this makes it fit. Alright, so we're going to work on this shape right here. And this is a rectangle. And so we need 1, 2, 3 shapes to create this shape. So we need 1, 2, 3 shapes to create a composite shape. So, for example, we need these 3 shapes to create this shape. So we're going to start left to right. So we're going to grab this one and slide it to where it belongs. And then for this shape right here, we are going to use our parallelogram. So we're going to slide it. And oh, it doesn't fit. So what we're going to do again is we're going to flip it to have it fit correctly. Then we have one more shape left to finish it, and this small triangle will fit perfectly right there to create a composite shape, which is also a rectangle. We're going to work on one more on this worksheet, and then we're going to work on the next one. So we're going to work on this shape right here, and we're going to work left to right. So right here, we could see what shape fits here. We could try a medium-sized triangle to see if it'll fit. But as we can see, it is too big to fit. So we have to go smaller. We could try a small-sized triangle to see if it'll fit. And it fits just perfect. All right, and so this shape right here, we're going to use a parallelogram to make it fit. And once again, it does not fit that way, so we're going to have to flip it. Just like that. All right, and then we have one more shape to fill in, and it is the small triangle. And it fits perfect. All right, now we're going to go on the next worksheet. All right, so the next worksheet is called the Tangram rocket, and we are going to use all of our shapes to create a rocket. So we're going to have to guess a little bit and make inferences to make sure that we are on the right track. So we're going to start left to right, so it'll be a little bit more understandable. So right now, we're going to work with a triangle, and we could start with the largest triangle, which would not fit. So we could try a medium triangle, and that would also not fit. But if we use a small triangle, we can see that that fits perfectly. Also, we could use another small triangle to fill in the other side of the rocket wing. Just like that. Then we're going to work on the body. So as you can see through the lines right here, we're going to use 2 of our big triangles to make this work. Just like that. And then we're going to use 1 more big triangle. Just like that. So now we are halfway done with our rocket, and we're going to try and finish it up. So now we're going to work on the top part, and since we have all of our triangles used besides 1, we know that this triangle goes to the top, just like that, and it fits perfect. And now we're going to work on the bottom, which is the flame, and we could use 2 small triangles, but since these 2 small triangles are already used, we can use our square. It'll work just as fine. And now we have 1 shape left, which is a parallelogram, and this also fills in a wing, just like this. And as you can see, 2 small triangles can also replace a parallelogram, just like that. And now we're going to go on to our last worksheet. All right, so for this worksheet, it's called Place the First One. So we're going to read the directions, and it says, look where Corey put the first piece. Is it a good place for it? Talk about it. All right, so we're going to do what Corey did, and we're going to place our square right here. And we can try and see if other shapes fit around it. So at the top, we could try and put the smallest triangle on it, but as you can see, it is too big. Now let's read the other direction. Look where Anna put the first piece. Is it a good place for it? Talk about it. All right, so now we're gonna move the square down here, just like this. And let's try and see if other shapes can make it work. So we're gonna work right here, so left to right, and we can see that 2 small triangles can make a square, and I will show you guys right now, just like that. So as you can see, our 2 small triangles can make our square, and then we need 1 triangle left, as you can see, and as you can see, it will not be our medium-sized triangle because that is too small, so we have to move bigger. So we can see if our large triangle fits. And as you can see, it does fit. So, as you can see from the top, the triangle or the square being in the middle will not work because there won't be enough room at the top, and there won't be a shape that'll fit at the bottom as well. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my lesson, but we're going to go over a few math talk questions in order to make sure you guys fully understood the lesson. So the first question is, what is a composite shape? So we need to remember that a composite shape is when 2 or more shapes make another shape. And my other question would be, what strategy did you guys use? So did you guys go up to down, right to left, left to right? What strategy worked best when you guys were completing your composite shapes, and why did they work the best for you? So that is the end of my lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you're staying safe.